Clap and point to big and small.
Highs is all around, let's call.
Grandma, Dad, brother. Grandma is very big and tall. Dad is big and strong. Brother is very small.
Tiny baby.
Elephant, dog, cat. Elephant's big, dog is small. Cat is very small. Lion, rabbit, mouse. Lion is big, rabbit is small. Mouse is very small. Eagle, parrot, sparrow. Eagle is big, parrot is small. Sparrow is very small. Ostrich, pigeon, hummingbird.
Ostrich is big, pigeon is small. Hummingbird is very small.
Watermelon, apple, strawberry. Watermelon is big, apple is small. Strawberry is very small. Pumpkin, orange, blueberry. Pumpkin is big, orange is small. Blueberry is very small.
Cabbage, carrot, pea. Cabbage is big, carrot is small. Pea is very small.
Pumpkin, orange, blueberry. Pumpkin is big, orange is small. Blueberry is very small. Cabbage, carrot, pea.
Cabbage is big, carrot is small. Pea is very small.
Pumpkin, potato, cherry, tomato. Pumpkin is big, potato is small. Blueberry is very small.
Truck,
Car, bicycle. Truck is big, car is small. Bicycle is very small. Bus, scooter, skateboard. Bus is big, scooter is small. Skateboard is very small. Pot, bowl, cup. Pot is big, bowl is small. Cup is very small. Pan, plate, spoon. Pan is big, plate is small. Spoon is very small. Coat, shirt, sock. Coat is big, shirt is small. Sock is very small. Jacket, hat, glove. Jacket is big, hat is small. Glove is very small. Teddy bear, doll, duck. Teddy bear is big, doll is small. Duck is very small. Train set, toy car, Lego block. Train set is big, toy car is small. Bed, chair, pillow. Bed is big, chair is small. Pillow is very small. Table, stool, cushion. Table is big, stool is small. Cushion is very small. Mountain, tree, flower. Mountain is big, tree is small. Flower is very small. Rock, pebble, sand, grain. Rock is big, pebble is small. Sand, grain is very small. Door, window, key. Door is big, window is small. Key is very small. Refrigerator, microwave. Two, toaster. Refrigerator is big, microwave is small. Toaster is very small. Blackboard, book, pencil. Blackboard is big, book is small. Pencil is very small. Desk, notebook, eraser. Desk is big, notebook is small. Eraser is very small. Big and small, we see them all. Point to sizes, sing and call. Great job, kids! You know them all. Clap and point to big and small.
highs is all around, let's call.